Hi plant friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope your day is going well. Mine just got so much better because I got plant mail and I got these from Canopy Plant Company. Last month I ordered some Hoyas from them and I've been enjoying them so much that I placed another order with them and I'm going to open it with you guys. So let's get right into it. I placed this order maybe a week ago. Maybe a week ago. So I don't remember what I ordered, but they were having a sale on some plants. I know there's at least one Hoya in here, if not more, but let's get into it. All right. I think there's about 4 plants in here. So let me get all of the stuff off of it. Yep. It's a Hoya. I can't pronounce the name of it, but I'll put it on the screen for you guys. I'm not even going to try it. But these Hoyas that I got from them last time were so full, and I was so excited. And these do not disappoint either. Look at that. More of the big leaves. I can see the veining through the back. Oh, can you see through that? But you can't really tell from the front, but these leaves are really shiny and huge, just the way I like them. It did have a little damage and they are a little dehydrated, so I'll have to give them some water. But yeah, that one is, I'll try and say it, Hoya vitellinoides. And I will unbox them off camera, but I'm going to open them with you guys here. I have my trusty little mat down because I remember last time it was so much dirt coming out of the packaging. So I came prepared again this time. Oh, what is this one? Oh, this is my blue oil fern. I went to a local plant shop with my husband the other day, and I saw one of these in there for like $80, and it was the same size as this one. And this one, I think it was on sale for like $19 on Canopy Plant Company's website because they were having like this sale. So I was like, oh my gosh. And this one is even bigger and fuller than the one I saw at my local plant shop. Stop it. These leaves are so waxy and long. Oh my gosh. I am really here for the long leaves. I've been ordering plants and getting more plants into my collection with the longer leaves. And I love a good Hoya. This is not a Hoya, but it has the look of a Hoya. And I feel like that's why I like it, because I don't even know if I have a fern in my collection, because in my OG plant collecting days, I had all kinds of plants, ferns included. And those things were just spider mite attractors. And I just cannot deal with that kind of drama in my life anymore. So yeah, this specimen is awesome. I love it. And I think that that one is the one that has the hanging pot thing to it. I don't know if I'm going to hang it, but we'll see. I will let you guys go along with me when I'm doing my unboxing. And this is my, oh, so cute. This is my Hoya Bella variegated. It's a 2-inch pot. Look at it. It's so cute. Look at the outer variegation on those leaves. So adorable. And these are in 4-inch pots. So cute. All right, what do we got in here? Okay. And the last thing that we have in here is a Syngonium Red Arrow. Oh my God, I am so excited about this one. All of these, really. Oh yeah. I love Syngoniums and the leaf shape and their growth pattern, but I don't have anything like this one. This one has really dark leaves with the red underside. Can you see that? So pretty. Okay, I'm going to tear the tape off of these and then I will lay them out and give you a better look at this haul. Okay, we're back and I just took all of the tape off of them and got all of the plastic off of everything, and everything looks so healthy and vibrant, and I'm so excited about these additions to my collection. We did have one casualty. This little leaf right here seems to not have made it through the shipping portion of its travel. But this blue oil fern is stunning. I am so stoked about this. Like, I have wanted one of these for so long, but like I said, they were so expensive. And like, I feel like now, during COVID, they plants were so expensive. But now they've just made them so much more affordable for collectors. And this one is definitely one that I have wanted for a long time. And today is my lucky day because I just came back from another one of my Home Depot and Lowe's excursions. And y'all, I found another one of my wish list plants. So I had 2 plants that I got today. So I'm going to go ahead and share those with you as well. This one is a Hoya parviflora. Can you see that leaf? Look at all the splash on this thing. It's so beautiful. And I was not looking for any particular thing today. But when I saw this one, I was like, are you kidding me? Yes, you're going home with me. Look at that. And it's already in a hanging basket. So that's a plus. And it's not that like macrame fussy material. If you like that, great. That's awesome for you. But I like more streamlined. So this was right up my alley. I love how simple and clean these lines are. So yes, please. And thank you. I believe that one, I got these two from Home Depot. I'll put it on the screen just to be certain, because I was at Home Depot, I was at Lowe's, both of them. You know, I get in there and I'm like a kid in a candy store, and I can't remember which one I got these from. But this next one is the one that I'm telling you was one of my longtime wish list plants. Like, all of these plants are so gorgeous, and I cannot believe that I'm getting to add them to my collection for such what I think is reasonable cost. I mean, $19? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look at that. Anyways, okay. And this little Hoya Bella out of variegated, it's so adorable. Look at that. Oops, I'm spilling soil. Okay, this is my Anthurium radicans crossed with luxurians. Y'all, I thought my husband was going to have to pick me up off the floor when I saw this thing. Okay, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at these leaves. When I first saw it, I was like, oh, they got another Monstera Peru in here. And then I looked at it more closely and I was like, wait a minute, those leaves are really large to be a Monstera Peru. And I was correct. Look at this leaf. Gorgeous. Look how shiny it is. And all of the dimples. Look at the lobe on there. Unbelievable. I am just so excited at how accessible these plants have now become, you know, for the collectors who are still out there collecting, like diehards. And look at the stems on these things. You see that beautiful purple in there? And you can see the veining through the back of the leaf. So pretty. I love it. I love it. And I'm so glad that I found PlantTube so that I can share my love and excitement for plants like this, and you guys can appreciate them just as much as I do. And I love looking at other content creators' pages and enjoying the plants that they have in their collection. Like, I was going through Home Depot and Lowe's today, and I was just looking at all of the plants that they had in there. And like, there are so many beautiful calatheas and begonias and, you know, ferns. But I am not great with a lot of those plants. And so I was very selective about the two that I brought home from Home Depot and Lowe's today, because I cannot let a plant come into my collection that I'm not comfortable with and have it steal my joy, because it can be a lot. It can be very overwhelming when you have as many plants as I have in my collection, and then you have some that just are not doing well, and you have to like spend most of your time babying them and trying to get them, you know, pest free or whatever the illness is that they have at the time. But these are beautiful. I know how to take care of them. I feel confident in my skills with introducing these into my collection. And so I am going to do another video to show you guys how I style them in my home. So That'll be another video. Please stay tuned for that one. And that's going to do it for today's video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time.